Hi, I'm Dimitris Charalambidis, and in this presentation we'll learn how to recognize a function from a mapping diagram. In a previous presentation, we learned that a mapping diagram can be used to represent a given relation. Since a function is a special type of relation, a mapping diagram can be used to represent a function as well. But do all mapping diagrams represent a function? The answer to this question would be no, they don't. Next, through worked examples, we'll see how to identify a function from a given mapping diagram. All we need to remember is the definition of a function. According to this definition, a function is a relation in which its input value is related to exactly one output value. Example: state whether each mapping diagram shows a function or not. In each case, explain why. So we'll begin with the first mapping diagram, the one in front of us. We can see that 1 is related to 3, 2 related to 1, 3 to 4, and 4 to 5 respectively. So, according to the definition of a function we gave earlier, this mapping diagram shows a function since each input value is paired with a unique output value. Moving on the second diagram, we have that the input value 1 is paired with the output value 3, 2 is paired with 3, 3 with 5, and 4 with 4. Notice here that although both input values 1 and 2 are paired with the same output value 3, this doesn't cause any problem with the definition of the function we know. Still, each input value is paired with a unique output value. Thus, the above mapping diagram shows a function. Always keep in mind that all input values could be paired with the same output value and still that would be a function. This case of a function is called all-to-one function or constant function. And let's see the final diagram. You can see that the input value 1 is paired with the output value 3, 2 is paired with both 4 and 5, 3 is paired with 1, and 4 is paired with 1. In this third case, we've got the only thing that we don't want. That is for an input value to be paired with more than one output values. As we can see, the input value 2 is paired with both output values 4 and 5. Hence, this mapping diagram cannot represent a function. To summarize, when we want to state whether a mapping diagram shows a function or not, we will always start from its input value and see whether it is paired with one or more output values. If each input value is paired with only one output value, then we have a function. If at least one input value is paired with two or more output values, then we don't have a function. For any questions about this presentation, you can leave comments down below, or you can contact me with one of the following ways, either on my email or in my Facebook page. As always, thank you for your time.